Good morning, traders. Oil news in 2 minutes. Well before oil news, intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader very well prepared. In front of you, software for Ninja Trader 8. This is your trading range this morning, and we knew this well before it happened. As we discussing before oil news, trader completely out of the markets or in profit, moving the stop outside of break even. They will never tell you how oil news impacting S&P. Intelligent trader knows this. This is very sharp, very spiky move as expected. Oil news is here. It's here. This is oil. Stunning move above. Correct? But as we're discussing with traders, powerful pullback is crucial. If you're looking to buy oil, you're looking to buy here. This is little day trading chart we're confirming to 1 minute. Here we are on oil. This will cause a major problem. This, not the place to buy oil. The place to buy oil is here. So again, institutional chart on oil overextended. Oil been selling off despite the war because it reached reversal zone. This is key institutional brick wall on oil to the downside. We've been stuck in this trading range for the last 4 months. No speculation, no gambling here. So when you obey Alpha Fibonacci rules, this is what you accomplish with your brilliant brain and your brilliant effort. No software required. So if you listen to Brad's podcast, this is a trader who struggled for 20 plus years. Not anymore. He does exact same thing as Tom Brady does. He practices nonstop every single day. This morning, spectacular work by Clinton. Breathtaking, phenomenal. Look at what traders do. This can be you. All you have to do, identify if it's appropriate for you to day trade or position trade this system. Oil news is here. Price reminding you so. Ultimate trading range with precision is here. We have no idea what news is, but trader very well prepared. That's it. We'll find out what oil news is. It's extremely bullish, very bullish, huge undersupply on oil. And again, if you go back to S&P, S&P this morning testing key institutional support. That's a brick wall. And again, this was not the place to buy S&P. You knew this far in advance. All the details in live class. This morning S&P oversold, not overbought. Testing key institutional support. This level is out, this level is next. This level to follow. Know and think how institutional traders do. And when you do, you start enjoying trading. And you remember that bold pink line always present. That's the reason I made it so bold, so pink. It identifies the weakness. Weakness is always present, strength is not. To the tick price showing you the difference. This morning we had spectacular strengths. Trade is not on 1 minute, software projected on 1, so you can see the precision. This is strength. Before oil news, this is weakness. This is Alpha Fibonacci chess. And again to the tick, what do you see? Oil is not skyrocketing despite extremely bullish news. Did we know this is not the place to buy oil? Of course. That's how you trade every instrument. Not as a gambler, because if trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bezos, would be Gates. You are not a gambler. You are a strategic, intelligent trader. You respecting news due to volatility. And as much as I love what Brad says, She gave me my dream. My system, my strategy, only 20% of bread success. The other 80 is all bread. My system, my strategy, only 20% of Clinton success. The other 80 is all Clinton. That's it. Mindset, focus, and execution. So when oil collapsing despite bullish news, you are not surprised, correct? You are not a gambler. You understand. If you look to buy oil, you look to buy here. Oil collapsed 30 points, and if oil will collapse 300, you are not surprised. But you understand price moves one step at a time. Know your lane and do not gamble. In trading, trading range is crucial. Look at Bitcoin. We discussed for months, not a place to buy Bitcoin. Sell-off is not over. It's not. Magnificent, breathtaking crash. You are very well prepared. You are not buying reversal zone. I'm a buyer on Bitcoin at 12. I'm not a buyer on Bitcoin at 25. Oops! Day trading not for everyone, but anyone can trade long term. It takes you days and weeks to prepare, and you know, many months in advance where not to buy Bitcoin. Despite all the hype, all the noise, if you're buying Bitcoin, this is your last point of entry, not at reversal zone. So again, traders, absolute weakness on this chart. Are you clear? Yes? Absolute weakness when it comes to buyers on Netflix. Massive, massive junk. Again, you're not a gambler. You're not buying reversal zone. You obey the rules and understand. Spectacular earnings on Netflix don't mean a thing when Netflix said reversal zone. So if you cannot afford to lose few hundred million of someone else's money, as Aikman had done, please use your brilliant brain. Can you do that? If Tom Brady can win Super Bowl, so can you in trading, as traders do all over the world, with Alpha Fibonacci System, on stocks, on futures, on ETFs, on metals, on commodities. Tens of thousands of emails later, you separate strengths from weakness. That's the most important part. This is weakness, absolute weakness. To the tick, price tells you so. And when Netflix selling off and crashing, you're shorting Netflix. You're not buying Netflix. You are not a gambler. You're trading much better than top hedge fund managers in US who buying Netflix a reversal zone with billions of dollars. Historical crash from 700 to 160 is a beautiful thing that reminding you you are in charge of your money. You are in charge of your life. If you're relying on indicators, if you're relying on someone else, that's a problem. So, trade the system, trade it globally on all instruments by traders of all levels, from 14 to 86-year-old. Separate strength from weakness. And when you do, the skies are the limit. You start enjoying trading. You pass your test very, very well. You understand. When bold pink line is present, that's a problem. No matter how spectacular news on oil is, this is not the place to buy. That's it. Oil collapsed 100 points plus. And you knew this in advance. And that's the reason trading room open. So you can see the system in the live markets. And then you make a personal decision. You decide what you want to trade. You decide what's appropriate for you and your account. So if you're done chasing junky systems, junky indicators, I look forward working with you. I teach you to rely on your own brain. I teach you that you are a limitless human being. The only limit you set on yourself. The skies are the limit if you're trading this system. You can spend a second to make a decision, a minute, or you can spend hours, days, weeks, and months. Absolutely your choice. What instrument, what time frame you trade. In day trading, you must be absolutely focused with spectacular technical execution, and you must pass psychological tests each and every day. So here we go, one of the latest emails from Richard. You can listen to Richard on podcast. Richard has zero interest in day trading. He is trading system on options on Tesla. Again, Clinton reporting prior 49 points on S&P. Absolute genius of a trader. Every trader decides what they want to trade. And when Dan reports 100 plus points short on S&P, genius. From last Friday, Dan trades S&P long term. That's it. No speculation, no gambling here. You decide what you want to trade. What chart, what instrument. Only you know what's appropriate for you. So, if I look at thousands and thousands of emails I have, I look forward working with you. I look forward receiving email from you. It never gets old to see what's possible if you make an effort. In day trading, knowing your trading range is crucial, critical. Sniper's mentality is the key. And when you do, the skies are the limit. And it all starts with simplicity. It all starts with obeying the rules. Software is never a requirement. System traded globally all instruments since 2011. Software for NinjaTrader 8 came out in 2019. Next, I'm on my way to the Middle East, meeting with student who quit his job supporting family of 5. This can be you. You can quit your job. Mustafa trading stocks. Zero trading at all. Richard loves trading S&P. Sue trading it all. Steve knows where to exit Bitcoin. Thousands and thousands of emails later. What do I love to see? Jeff, at the age of 86, looking at the chart once a week. Dominic, at the age of 14, loves to day trade the system. What kind of trader you are, only you know. Can trading crypto on iPhone via options. Every trader, different background. Every trader, different account. Choice is yours. That's it. Price remains same everywhere. It all starts with this. Pure price for entry and alpha Fibonacci for exits. You will never, ever need anything else. As JP Morgan traders, when took the course, quit JP Morgan and started their own hedge fund. I teach you how to trade, live and breathe, as top 1% does. And it all starts with this. Pure price for entry and alpha Fibonacci for exits. So oil reminds you again and again and again, ultimate precision and ultimate simplicity of the system. Doesn't matter if you trade 1, 5, 10, 15 or 20 or 30 or hourly or daily or weekly or monthly. System applies to all instruments, all time frames. The only difference, risk management and trade hold time. This remains war zone on oil. No speculation, no gambling here. Oil remains stuck between here and here, and this can last hours and hours and hours. And again and again and again. This is software for NinjaTrader 8. This is system for all instruments, all time frames. Euro reached reversal zone. So did pound. Historical low. Catastrophic crash. Not done, not over. Buyers are weak on euro. All depends at this level. But again and again and again, it played out in front of you. You saw this clearly. And as you learn in the course, you knew it before it happened, with a single glimpse by looking at your crucial critical chart. I hope you enjoyed today in our trading room with oil news. So please review everything on the website. This is system traded globally on all instrumental time frames by traders of all levels, from 14 to 86-year-old, from micro to macro accounts, from futures, stocks, forex, crypto to options. I highly encourage you to listen to podcasts, view students' performance, and review what's appropriate for you. Private mentoring, I have a couple of spaces available, currently savings $8,000. This is the most desirable package. It includes everything. Lifetime system for all platforms, lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8, video library modules, trading room included. Second most popular package, group course, $3,000. Includes lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8 lifetime system, and you can view hundreds of videos 24/7. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8 platform, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. We have students in the Middle East, New Zealand, Australia, or students who work full-time who cannot come to classes. Always view videos 24/7. It's never a problem. So thank you traders so much for spectacular months, for incredible week. I look forward doing podcast with you. I look forward receiving email from you. Because if this trader can do it, trading Forex and crypto, if this trader can do it, trading options, if this trader can do it, trading futures, so can you. Simply make an effort and obey the rules, and the sky's the limit. You will never need anything else, as students always tell me that. So please, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you so much.